Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another episode of what's new on my bead mat. So I have been working on earrings and bracelets again. So let me start out with this first pair. This is check glass, melon beads, which I love, some rose gold spacers, Tim 11 rose gold Miyuki seed beads, fire polish, the double hole, I think they're like I forgot what these are called, like a disc bead, and then some more check glass, and then some antique copper ear wires. I think these are so pretty. I just love the way these turned out. I love the sparkle in them. And they're very lightweight. So it's not like they'll rip your ear. Like I've said in other videos, I do have my earlobe, my right earlobe is ripped because back in the 80s, we used to wear really, really heavy earrings. So I do have to get that fixed. So this is my second one. And this is just more check glass, fire polish, the flower, I call them flower spacer beads. Copper rondelles, and then some seed beads, more fire polish. These pretty antique copper bead caps. This is ceramic bead. And then antique copper, what do you call it, ear wires. Just looking to make sure the light is good. So I think these turned out really pretty. Love the way these turned out. Then I have these really pretty ones. These are chandelier earring. Fire polish, crystal bicone, fire polish, smaller fire polish, crystal bicone, rondelle, copper spacer bead on the chandelier 3-hole with some copper wires. These turn out so pretty, and they've got such a pretty sparkle to them. You can see as you turn it, they sparkle really pretty. Okay, and then next, I took, let me see if I can find my little bag. Here it is. Oh, I hope this doesn't open. So I think I posted a video earlier with this right here. This is a little bead mix that I make. I like making my own little bead mixes. And then I can put together these beads. So they're not just seed bead bracelets. There's some seed beads, but there's fire polish, check glass. You know, I don't want to just be, tied down with just seed beads because I like to do different textures. And these are each 7 inches, and it goes around the wrist 3 times. So, well, it's about 22 inches, I think. 21 and a half, 22 inches. And then, if someone wants, I can always add a little extender chain to make it a little longer if needed. So I have this, and then I also have 2 more of them. So, but I love these little, they kind of reminds me, I know some people say they're Celtic beads, but they kind of remind me of Greek beads. The Greek key beads. So being half Greek, I'm going to call them those. So, yeah, I think these turned out really pretty. I love all the colors and sparkles and textures. I love mixing, 11 O's with 8 O's and then like just one big focal bead on each one. I think they turn out so pretty like that. So I have those. Then, oh, these are really cute. These are my little, I think I'm getting into fall, my little sugar skull earrings. So cute. With some 2-hole Tilla beads. And then just some other check glass. So I thought these are so cute. And just some silver spacers. God, there's like a little mark on that. Okay. I think these turned out so cute. So yeah. My dog is snoring behind me. I don't know if you can hear her. Yeah, I think these would be really pretty for fall. So I've got these. And then these are some really pretty ones. Now these butterflies, I think I got these from Dollar Bead Box, but I ended up, I think these are either from Sam's Bead Box or Bargain Bead Box. I can't remember. But then I had the little butterfly bow beads that are so pretty. So look how sparkly these are. And then the little metallic turquoise blue 11-ounce Miyukis in there, rondelles, and these turned out so pretty. And the 11-ounce rose gold Miyukis, so pretty. I got these. Let me see, I'll put these right here. I'm going to be running out of room soon. Then I made this. This is so pretty. So I don't know if you remember when I won the, this was just one of the things, when I won the $50 gift card to Beadbox Bargains for my entry into their monthly contest. This is one of the things that I made. So I made these little earrings. Then I made this little memory wire wrap bracelet to match it. It's a very dainty bracelet. And here's the little flowers. I made these tiny little dangles for on the ends. I love the way this turned out. And then I used some of my own beads in there. And then here's that other flower again. I used that. And then again, more dangles. And then I have these little antique copper sunflowers, so pretty. And it's just a very detailed bracelet. I love it because it's very dainty. So someone who doesn't like chunky jewelry could wear it. But there's so much detail to it that, you know, you could sit here and look at it for an hour. So I got those, and then I made the little earrings to match it. So I thought these turned out so cute. So I have this. I'll put the earrings inside. Then I have these earrings with antique brass. These turned out so beautiful. Let me fix that right there. So yeah, so I have these, and then these, they're kind of like a little rose, antique brass rose metal beads, fire polish, seed beads, agate right there, and little check glass beads. So pretty. I think these are jasper right there, if I'm not mistaken. So I just think they're so pretty. I got those. And I got two more pairs. I got these. I love these rolled gold spacers. I was using these a lot for a while. I haven't been able to find them again, so I'm kind of sad about that. And then some antique, is that antique copper? No, that's antique brass, I think. No, that's antique copper. So, and then these the clear beads, so you can turn them whichever way you want. And some fire polish, rondelles, tiny fire polishes, some agate. And I think this is just ceramic bead right there. But love the way these turned out. And you can wear them like that. And then last but not least, These are so pretty. I love the way these turned out. So these are kind of like that same bead in the last pair, but it's a pretty turquoisey sea green kind of. And then I have the little check glass leaves, and then the little seed beads, 11 O's, crystal, those look like crystal bicones, fire polish, tiny fire polishes, and then bigger fire polish there, and then just some silver nickel-free ear wires. So I have been busy with earrings, can I just say that? So I hope you guys liked this little video showing you what I've been working on. I'm getting really ready for fall and the holidays and everything. So thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss a video when it comes out. Let me know down in the comments what you think of these and what you've been working on lately on your bead mat. So I also have my links to Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Etsy store below if you would like to follow me on there. And I really appreciate you watching my video. Thanks again, and I will see you soon on my next one. Have a great day.